Let's see here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see what we have for you in this piece. Someone needs to tell you something. Someone got high and lost their RV. So whatever. Someone was driving drunk and lost their free will in regards to Father of Wands, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. Route 66. I guess someone's going like a delirium, trying to get back to the, back to the space getting. I know that's different. I guess it was Russia or Mars. Someone's rushing to Mars very quickly, and since was like, you're not ready yet. So I guess someone was trying to attempt to come back, one of your exes. That backfired, thankfully. I had to do a narcissist. Detectives coming in, saying that's correct. Recreate your vision as you'll be guided to create new adventures or something you love. Don't get side contract, okay? Or submit yourself to what you don't want to submit to. Possibly dealing with a Leo or a Scorpio. You see the wings there? Or some type of resurrection of some sort, you see? Out of some stuck, egoistic Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Telling you what to do all the time. In regards to so good a life purpose, find out what suits you and go there. Magnetic attraction, in which will be metaphysical upon reality. Some type of pride and ego to look to new adventures to, some type of transportation. The angel number is 888 666 and 777. These also could be hertz, by the way, of frequencies that you may hear, that your ancestors will send to you. It's the Galactic Federation, NWO 33. Pay attention to sound, body, and mind.